Welcome to our gardening series, where we explore how to grow your favorite vegetables at home. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of bottle gourd, also known as Loki or calabash. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing bottle gourd at home is a rewarding experience. Let's dive in. Step 1. Selecting seeds and soil. The first step in growing bottle gourd is selecting high-quality seeds. Look for seeds from a reputable supplier or consider saving seeds from a mature bottle gourd. Ensure the seeds are fresh and viable. Next, prepare well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Bottle gourds thrive in fertile, loamy soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. You can enrich the soil with compost or aged manure for optimal growth. Step 2. Planting seeds. Plant bottle gourd seeds directly into the soil or start them indoors in biodegradable pots before transplanting them outdoors. Sow the seeds about 1 inch deep and 2 to 3 feet apart to allow ample space for the vines to spread. Water the soil thoroughly after planting and keep it consistently moist but not waterlogged. Step 3. Providing proper support. Bottle gourd is a vigorous climber and requires sturdy support to grow properly. Install trellises or bamboo poles near the plants to provide support for the vines as they grow. Training the vines to climb will prevent them from sprawling on the ground and help maximize space. Step 4. Watering and fertilizing. Proper watering and fertilizing are crucial for healthy bottle gourd plants. Water the plants regularly, especially during dry spells, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Additionally, fertilize the plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer high in nitrogen to promote vigorous growth. Step 5. Managing pests and diseases. Like all plants, bottle gourd is susceptible to pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common pests such as aphids, cucumber beetles, and squash bugs. You can control these pests by handpicking them or using organic insecticides. Prevent fungal diseases by ensuring good air circulation around the plants and avoiding overhead watering. Step 6. Harvesting. With proper care, your bottle gourd plants will start producing fruits in about 45 to 60 days. Harvest the bottle gourds when they reach their mature size, typically around 12 to 18 inches in length. Use a sharp knife or pruners to cut the fruits from the vines, leaving a short stem attached. Step 7. Enjoying your harvest. Congratulations! You've successfully grown your own bottle gourd at home. Incorporate fresh bottle gourd into your favorite recipes, such as curries, soups, and stir-fries. Not only is homegrown produce more flavorful, but it's also incredibly rewarding to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Thanks for joining me on this journey to grow bottle gourd at home. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy gardening!